You could lose millions, all because you misunderstood just one thing: liquidity. So why is that? In just 3 minutes, I'll show you why liquidity is what determines whether you win or lose in the market. So, let's get right into it. Okay, now you might be wondering what exactly liquidity means. Liquidity is just about how easy it is to buy or sell a coin without changing the price. It still sounds confusing. So let's break it down. Imagine you're trying to sell the latest iPhone. It's so easy, right? Many people want it, and you can sell it quickly at a good price. That's high liquidity. However, low liquidity is a different story, much like selling a rare piece of art or an old clock. Rare? Maybe. Interested buyers? Crickets. You end up selling it to your weird strangers for half price with a bad emotion. Crypto works the same way. The more people trading, the easier and safer it is to buy and sell without losing money. So, why is it important? It is not only important in crypto, but it can also help you trade coins more easily and safely. When a coin has high liquidity, like I said, lots of people are buying and selling it, so you can make trades quickly and at fair prices. It also helps keep the price stable, and it won't suddenly jump up or down. Plus, with high liquidity, you're less likely to get a bad deal where the price changes right before your trade goes through. So, the more liquid a coin is, the smoother and safer your trading experience will be. Okay, now you know, liquidity isn't just some boring finance term. Yeah, it's quite easy, right? It's the silent force that decides whether your trade goes smoothly or wrecks your wallet. Next time you're about to ape into a coin, ask yourself, is there enough liquidity, or am I diving into a ghost town? If this helped you see the market a little clearer, smash that like button. Subscribe or more. See ya!